watching Sprightly Kid, and today I'm giving a makeover to this banana. So about this banana, I've been holding on to this since last year, and I got this in Hawaii, and I was surprised about how unsquishy this is. I think it's supposed to be a stress banana. So I'm just gonna paint this, but I am keeping this as a banana, but it's gonna be a glow in the dark banana. I put this banana on a stick, and my idea is that the banana is on the stick. And about this keychain thing, I'm going to cut it off. Yay, I finished cutting it off. And then I'm just gonna get to painting this thing. So I am going to paint both sides of it since the stick is here. And yes, this is a glow in the dark banana. And I do want to say that I should have put it on the base coat first, but it's too late. So, oh my gosh, what is wrong with me? So, this banana is a glow-in-the-dark banana on the stick, kind of like bananas on the stick. But I want to point out that I cut off the bottom of the stick, so when I hold it, I don't get poked and all that. So, this is going to take about 1 million more coats. Now the darkened glow paint, the glow-in-the-dark paint is now dry, so I'm going to move on to the chocolate, but instead of like painting it on there, I'm just gonna kind of like dip it there so it looks like it's dipped in chocolate, because that's what it is, right? And it needs to kind of look realistic, so that's what I went for. Sorry guys, I hope the toothpick doesn't break off. So here it is right now. I think I'm gonna let it. Here's the finished result. I really like it a lot, and it's more special than the orange because it's glow in the dark, and it also has some nice looking drips. So this is a really nice. Thank you for watching Sprightly Kid, and remember to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.